Hello all. I'm here with some new learnings for you in AI. I will keep it short and simple so that you don't just learn AI, you build it. AI can generate stunning videos today, but there is one big problem. Your character changes every single frame. Who does not remember Ghibli effect? Different face, different styles, different identity. So, how do creators actually make consistent AI videos? Let's break it down for you. So, why this character consistency matters so much? Most AI tools they generate each frame independently. Face changes, expressions they shift randomly. Clothing isn't stable. This destroys your storytelling. So, character consistency and identity stability across frames and scenes, it becomes very important for somebody who's generating images or videos, especially for the professionals who are into animation field or their profession is like to deal with videos day to day, and now AI is here to help them with more creative features. So for them, it matters a lot that the AI tool is helping them correctly. How does it work? How can we make AI help you better? So there is something called seed and latent space. What are these? So these are nothing but these are the controls which will stop the randomness of the image or the video or the character. So reference based generation happens when we use specific image or specific prompt to generate exact character or scene. Embeddings or identity locking, they make the AI members identity. They build the identity. And prompt stability, that keeps structured prompts consistent. So if we follow a seed and then we generate based on that exact seed or latent space, and then we are doing identity locking that, hey, I want this kind of character only. And then prompt stability, that keeps the character consistent forever. Like if I am picturing an Indian character, I have to tell what kind of Indian character it should be, and it should be consistent across. See, there is a person called George, and he want to be portrayed as an Indo-American. Then we have to specifically tell the prompt, and the prompt will find all the Indo-American characters, and it will bring a character for you, and you can make that character consistent forever for your video generation or image generation. Now, few people they have created a flow chart based on this, and they call it pipeline. So this pipeline contains nothing but they design the character, they log the identity, they generate variations and then convert into video. If somebody says that they have resolved consistency issue, they are lying to you. No, there is no perfect solution, because imagine like this. You have hired a great artist for yourself. You are into creative field. You know what exactly you want, or maybe you're a new uh, person in the field, and you are using AI similar to an expert or an artist, which has a lot of characters in his brain or her brain. So you start talking, and if you don't lock the character in their brain, maybe they are the best artist all over the world. They will not be able to design it or draw it for you unless You are very specific about what exactly you want. You want an Indian character, you want an American character, you want an Indo-American character. You have to be very specific about it and very sure about it that this is how the character goes. Now the expert will start drawing after they have the character in their mind. Now they have logged the identity. Now they will generate the variations. Oh, you want this kind of clothing or that way. Because he's Indo, you may choose this. American chooses this. Indo-American may have these preferences, and then it will start drawing for you or creating some videos for you, collecting maybe previously done work or creating something new. Okay, so it's very similar to that. There is something called CFG scale. Now, what is this? This is a classifier free guidance. Every tool does not have this, but if you have it, setting this can affect your image or video generation. How? So, if it is low, okay, then it will not understand much of your prompt. It will not stick to that. It will choose to create a randomness in your videos and images. But if you set this CFG high, then if you write a prompt, it filters out everything and try to stick more to your prompt. So uh, basically, people use 7 to 9 of the scale of CFG for balanced creativity plus their prompt, and they get quite good results. And if it is too high, it becomes too weird. Sometimes it gives you crooked images, say sideways, the nose is not that appropriate as it should be. But if you give CFG a little balance, then it can use its imagination that a person who's looking like this from the front, how the sideways might be. It will generate some artistic way of images which can look very similar to the prompt provided or seed provided. So that's why people keep it balanced, that half it should be creative, half it should be sticking to the character. But if you want to stick to the character, then you have to set it very high. Otherwise, if it is balanced, it will use its own creativity and may miss out to your specifications. So it's just a mind shift, I feel. And uh, if you think that in one click you are gonna get a video, I'm sure it is not gonna happen. Even the most expert person in this world might need some time or his own creativity, or there is a difference in understanding even in human beings. So this is a tool which is guessing your work or your imagination, and with the data it is generating the best possible things for you, and its algorithm which is bringing images piece by piece and mixing it and giving you results. So the more you understand your tool, how exactly it is listening or understanding you, slowly you will develop uh, a way or a prompt which understands you immediately. So don't just generate content, you have to build it. So what I have done, uh, I would like to share that with you. So here, I give a prompt to one of the AI tool. I'm not gonna take name because most of the AI tools are using similar algorithms or maybe different, but majorly every tool has some or other consistency issues. If you have resolved it quite much, I personally use Gemini Nano Banana for image generations. So I gave this prompt, and each time it generated similar but not same lady. See her eyes. It's grayish and bluish and grayish, but hers are black or brown. And maybe they have some facial differences also. So this does not look like a same lady, but I changed my way. I downloaded the second picture and then I uploaded it to the prompt. And then I asked her to generate images in different situations of her. And this was the result. This looks like similar lady, right? Almost same, very less difference. So this is what you should do to get better results. You can also use improved consistent prompts. Like I gave two examples here. Even the negative prompts works a lot. I don't want blurry background. I don't need yellow flowers. Um, add more vibrant colors in the background. Or don't do this, or don't do that, or specifically do this. So you have to be very, very, very clear on what you want. And then these tools will be very helpful for you, especially when you don't want to hire a high-end artist and you want to continue with your creativity, or creative activities. So all the best to you guys to learn more from it. I may come up with the same topic in detail, or maybe with a different topic next time. Please help me in the comment section whether you like the video, or what could have been better, or how you want it more, or what information you want more from this video. What should I do next for you? So till then, I may put my video next Monday. Thank you so much. Have a great day.